Now, if you watch our channel, you know we like our impacts, and you know we love them in 30 cal. But these two rifles, straight out of the custom shop at Utah Air, absolutely insane. Stick with us and watch us go through the motions with these guns and just have a ball. The slugs pictured here are varmint knockers, 50 grainers that I'm flinging at 917 feet per second.
Wow, and guess it's a dope at 140 yards. I'm resting on a tractor bucket with no rear bag, not even prone. Oh my goodness. Tell you about a good dope call. Not bad for my shooting position. I come down in MLA and let's try and land one on that bottom mark. Oh, absolutely perfect. Literally hit the mark. Alright, it's 180 now. Sitting on a rock, resting on a rock with the bipods wedged. The spot in my crosshairs are what I'm going to try and hit. Oh, that's sick. Oh my goodness. Right on top. That's 180 yards. I'm going to show you guys the shooting position.
After gathering dope, this muskrat kind of kept me company while we waited for Norm to come up and join us. He and I were looking forward to just roaming the fields, taking some shots at targets of opportunity, whether they be rock faces, woodchucks, or anything else. And luckily, we found a woodchuck very quickly.
Ready? Oh yeah, he's dead. Nice shot, bud. Thank you.
First kill with Gold Digger.
Yeah, the Gold Digger's doing his job. First woodchuck shot at.
Oh,
I think we got him.
Alright, good.
So that's because we got the new Donnie FL on there this morning. And it was real quiet.
Yeah, it was. It sounded like
Yeah.
like the air like seeped out of it.
Oh yeah, the hit was a lot louder than the gun going off.
Yeah. Should be right up here. Oh yeah, he didn't go anywhere. Nothing like a 30 caliber.
Ooh.
Now I thought, just watching it, I thought that you hit him in the neck, but that looks like a headshot to me.
That's what I was trying for. Because I figured, you know, it was 52 yards and I had it on the 50 yard.
Yeah.
So I put it right on his head, figuring if it did drop a little bit, I hit him in the chest. But let's just see here. Oh, there it is.
Oh yeah. Oh my god, he like bled out of both of his ears all at once.
Oh no, I mean, that 30 cal, he didn't even move. That was a loud thud too. That was just with 44 grain pellets.
Yeah, that was
JSB
what,
pellets.
44 grain JSBs?
Yeah, that wasn't even a slug. Well, Today is the first day of the spring that Keith and I got to come out with our new custom MK2 impacts from Utah Air.
And they came so perfectly tuned, too. That was what was so awesome about it. Like, we took them out of the box and they were just shooting. And I didn't know this, but they tune every gun that comes out of there.
Oh, yeah?
Yeah, and I just always thought that FX guns just shot, you know?
Yeah.
Because I bought my first Crown from there.
Yep.
And that just shot. And then I got the Continuum, and that just shot. And then I was talking to Justin on the phone one night. He's telling me how they shoot every single gun before it leaves and tune it.
That's crazy.
And I was like, I had no idea that anybody did that. And he's like, as far as I know, we're the only ones that actually shoot every single one. So now I know why they were all shooting when they showed up. But,
Oh yeah, I mean these things. Take a look at these babies. This is Keith's Godzilla. He named it because of that real cool.
yeah, and they went all out on this, dude. This is laser etched. We got the Saber Tactical bag rider, the adjustable buttstock. This is a game changer for me.
I love that thing.
Because I always thought impacts were a little short,
Yeah.
but with that, it's perfect.
And Saber Tactical rail.
Yeah, that Arca Swiss rail.
Yep. Puts that bipod way out. Plus we got Justin was nice enough in Austin to send us those 580cc bottles. They make
Yeah,
a big
man.
difference too.
I've never seen guns more tricked out than this.
I know. They're beautiful. I absolutely love mine. Mine here is the Gold Digger.
And his wife already claimed it.
Yeah, and the wife already claimed it. Go figure.
But look at this shroud. I saw this and I was like, Justin, I need that too, man. That is so nice.
Yeah, matter of fact, I just sent him a shroud out this morning. I'm gonna get all my shrouds done like that.
Yeah.
So
The stuff they're turning out of the custom
Yeah.
shop is just
absolutely beautiful,
it's
man.
mind blowing.
But look at just a view of Keith's farm here, man. You talk about Disneyland. How much land you got, bud?
450 acres.
Oh.
And then we lease a little more. But
Look at this.
Is 450.
This is just crazy. And this is not even half of it.
It's our
But,
playground.
I tell everybody this is my Disney World.
Yeah. It's kind of the air gunner's paradise.
Oh my God.
And you when we used to shoot powder burners, we used to have fun out here.
Yeah, shooting a mile.
This thing is shooting like a 22. Like it feels like, you know, just
Yeah.
it's
Yeah.
unreal. It's at 110 bar. Shoots 44 grainers at 915, and I get a little more than 70 shots. But I just shoot 3 mags and then refill the gun. But it can do a little bit more.
Isn't that crazy to be able to shoot a 30 cal, 70 rounds?
Yeah, and
On a
the
full
other
tank.
crazy thing is, like, I was talking to Ernest Rowe about it,
Yeah.
and he said with the power plenum, you get a little more forgiveness after the reg too.
Okay. Like
which-
10 shots or something you're saying?
Yeah, you get like an extra 10 shots where you're not on the reg, but it's still gonna shoot to point of aim within, reason. I mean,
Right.
I've only tried it out to like 70 yards or so.
Yep.
But it did hold up, so that was cool. It's a little added bonus to almost 4 mags of effective shooting.
Yeah.
That's like I could go squirrel hunting 5 times and not refill the gun.
Oh yeah.
So that's pretty amazing.
You know,
But
people.
I'm just blown away, man.
Well, people wonder why we spend how could you guys spend $2,000 on an air rifle? Well, these things we will have forever
Yeah.
to have fun with for years and years and years. I mean, you spend $2,000 going on a week's vacation,
Oh yeah.
it's gone. I mean, you have the memories and stuff, but these things we will have memories to make for years and years, man.
And especially we're used to pushing our guns really hard and cranking the regs up to 155, 160.
Yep.
I even had mine up to 180 at one point on my old Crown, and they still held up. But I mean, I gotta think that having the reg at 110,
Oh my God.
these things aren't even doing work.
No. No.
It's like they're sitting on the shelf, even though you're shooting them all day.
Oh yeah, man.
It's amazing.
It's definitely one of those deals you get what you pay for.
Yeah, just so everyone knows, this is my very first impact.
Yeah.
I've never owned an impact before.
Yeah.
Everything you've seen me shoot that was an impact was Norm's that he was kind enough to let me shoot. And It's like getting a 12-point buck for your first deer. I'm kind of ruined now.
Oh yeah, yeah. There's no going back to the old days. What is it, Daisy 888s or something?
Yeah.
Crossman 760s. Even the Sheridans that were amazing back in their time.
Yeah.
But now, oh my God.
Yeah, and they're just so aesthetically pleasing.
Yeah.
I mean, like, pretty much all the FXs are gonna shoot. Like, all the impacts that come out of there are gonna shoot, but they're not gonna look like that or like that. I
No.
mean,
No.
it's awesome.
We're very
Big
fortunate.
options now.
Very fortunate, and appreciate you guys a ton for these guns. We really do.
I can't wait to take it to RMAC and just
And actually beat the guys that built these for us, tuned them for us.
Coming for you, Justin.
Yeah, Justin. you created your own demise, buddy.
I hope you enjoyed coming with us on our first outing with these guns, just getting to know them. And next time, you're going to see a ton of action with these. We had a really, really great scope cam day on birds. Until then.
Two.
Done.
Done.